Hey everyone, it's Tammy. Thanks for being here. Today we're taking a road trip to the biggest antique fair in Italy. We're going to Parma. Parma is almost a 2-hour drive from Milan, and it is famous for its food. Parma ham, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, prosciutto, and so many homemade pasta dishes. We've never had a bad meal in Parma. This fair is Il Mercante in Fiera, and it is held twice a year. There were 2 great exhibitions at the front of the Fiera. The first one was a tie exhibition from the Museum of Silk in Como. Since my husband is such a big tie collector, of course we appreciated that. The second exhibition was of restoration of fine art. That was amazing to see the ladies working and doing everything they do to fine art. There was some fine art for sale at this Fiera, so maybe you would need that service if you were buying your fine art today. I've never seen a weapon like this, but it seems appropriate here in Parma. Might need that. Every style of decor, every time period, everything was here. Antiques, vintage, and collectibles. So if you're wondering where to buy antiques in Italy, where to buy vintage in Italy, or where to buy collectibles in Italy, this fair is definitely the place to start. I will link the fair's website down below. The mirror selection alone was worth the trip here. It was amazing. Craftsmanship in this giant table was incredible. There were gorgeous velvets for sale to help you in upholstering your new antique purchase. There were also antique buttons and sewing machines. Not sure how much either of those would help, but the velvets were beautiful. When in Parma, you expect the food stands at the fair to be amazing, and they did not disappoint. Even the face of Bo was for sale. Doctor Who fans, you know what I mean. Even the boucle trend was represented here. All 5 exhibition halls, 5, were overflowing with everything. Even there were things being shown outside. There is no way someone could see this entire fair in one day. For sure, that's why it's an 8-day fair covering 2 weekends. Amazing. Collectors of vintage luggage, this is some of the best I've seen. These butcher blocks. I love these butcher blocks. Wow, I just love antiquing in Italy. You can find literally anything here. They even had your harp needs covered. Yes, there were also a few vintage clothing and accessories vendors. Okay, next time you need to come here and antique with me in Italy. It's amazing! Thanks for coming along on the road trip. We'll see you next time. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons and let us know what you'd like to see next time.